What if I told you that a complete viral video could be created in minutes, without scripting, without editing, and without spending hours searching for trending topics? And here's the crazy part. Most creators are still doing everything manually while AI is already doing the heavy lifting. Today I'm testing ViroFeed AI to find out if it actually delivers viral-ready content, or if it's just another overhyped AI tool. Stay with me because what I discovered genuinely surprised me. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, agency owner, influencer, or someone trying to grow online, then you already know the biggest challenge isn't creating videos. It's constantly finding fresh content ideas that people actually want to watch. You spend hours researching trends, hours writing scripts, hours editing videos, and sometimes the video still gets almost no views. That's exactly the problem ViroFeed AI claims to solve. So in this review, I'm going to show you what ViroFeed AI is, how it works, its best features, benefits, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's jump in. ViroFeed AI is an artificial intelligence platform designed to help users discover trending content and automatically transform that information into engaging short-form videos. Think about it like this. Instead of spending hours searching for viral topics yourself, the AI does the research. Instead of writing scripts manually, the AI writes them. Instead of creating videos from scratch, the AI builds them. Its goal is simple. Take trending information and convert it into content that has a higher chance of getting views, engagement, and shares. And in today's attention economy, that's incredibly valuable because attention is the new currency. The faster you can create relevant content, the more opportunities you have to grow. Now let's talk about how the system actually works. First, the platform scans and gathers content from various sources. This can include trending topics, news articles, blogs, keywords, online content feeds, and other information sources. The AI then analyzes all this data to identify patterns and topics that are currently generating attention. Next, the system extracts the most important points from a content. Instead of giving you a giant article to read, it pulls out the information that matters most. Then the AI creates a script, and this is where things get interesting. It doesn't just summarize information. It attempts to structure the content in a way that captures attention, keeps viewers engaged, and encourages them to keep watching. After that, the platform converts the script into a video. Depending on the settings, it can generate visuals, captions, transitions, voiceovers, and other elements needed for short-form content. Finally, the content is exported and prepared for platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. In simple words, trend dichtovedi, content analysis, script creation, video generation, publishing. That's the entire workflow. Now let's look at the features that stood out the most. The first feature is trend discovery. This is probably the biggest advantage. Most creators spend hours looking for topics. ViroFeed AI helps automate that process. Instead of guessing what's popular, the AI attempts to identify what people are already talking about. That's a huge time saver. The second feature is AI script writing. Writing is hard, especially when you're trying to keep people engaged. The platform can generate scripts automatically, helping users overcome writer's block and produce content faster. The third feature is faceless video creation. Not everyone wants to appear on camera. Some people are shy, some value privacy, and some simply don't have the equipment. Faceless content has exploded in popularity, and ViroFeed AI supports this style of content creation. The fourth feature is multi-platform content. One piece of content can potentially be used across multiple social media platforms. That means more reach without creating everything from scratch again. The fifth feature is automation. This is where AI shines. Tasks that normally require multiple tools can be handled inside a single workflow. Less manual work, more content production, more consistency. Now let's talk about the actual benefits. First, it saves time. And honestly, this may be the biggest benefit of all. Time is the one resource nobody can get back. If a tool can reduce a 5-hour workflow to 30 minutes, that's significant. Second, it lowers the barrier to entry. You don't need advanced editing skills. You don't need professional writing skills. You don't need expensive software. Third, it improves consistency. Many creators fail because they can't post consistently. When content creation becomes easier, consistency becomes easier too. Fourth, scalability. Instead of creating one video a day, you might be able to create several. And in content marketing, volume combined with quality often leads to better results. Now let's be balanced and talk about the pros and cons. The pros are simple, easy to use, time-saving automation, i.e. script generation, trend discovery features, faceless video support, multi-platform content creation, beginner-friendly. On the other hand, AI-generated content may still require human editing. Results depend on the quality of input data, and no AI tool can guarantee virality. You still need creativity and strategy. Remember this, AI can help create content, but it cannot replace understanding your audience. So, is ViroFeed AI worth it? If you're spending hours researching trends, writing scripts, and creating short-form content manually, then ViroFeed AI has the potential to dramatically speed up your workflow. Its biggest strength is automation. Its biggest advantage is saving time. And its biggest promise is helping creators move faster in an incredibly competitive content landscape. Will it make every video viral? No, no tool can promise that. But can it help you create more content more efficiently and with less effort? Absolutely. And in today's creator economy, that alone can be a major advantage. If you've tried ViroFeed AI, let me know your experience in the comments. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.